Today I'm going to share with you again how to make purple sweet potato milk tea, or in the Philippines we call it Ube Milk Tea. Now, in a previous video I have shown you how to make Ube Milk Tea using syrup and also using powder. Today I'm going to show you how you can use the syrup and the powder together. This is taro powder or purple sweet potato powder. And this is normally not 100%. It's probably mixed with some sugar and creamer. On the other hand, I will also show you how to make using our premium purple sweet potato powder, which is 100%. This is dehydrated and spray dried, so this is all natural. There is no sugar and no creamer added to it. And then we have our sweet potato syrup, which we will use with the 100% purple sweet potato powder. And because we're making a purple sweet potato milk tea, I'm going to treat you to a purple tapioca pearls. Let's start with recipe number 1. For recipe number 1, I'm going to use a regular purple sweet potato powder. And for this one, I'm going to use 2 tablespoons. Now, because this is powder and my black tea is now cold, I'm going to use hot water to first dissolve this powder. So just put about 1 ounce of hot water and dissolve the powder. So give it a good stir. Okay, now let's put that aside for now. And then I'm going to use the tea, which is as usual, because we are going to use a glass which is equivalent to 16 ounces cup. I'm going to use 4 ounces of my black tea, 1.5 ounces of milk syrup. I'm going to use cream cheese. Okay, let's go to recipe number 2. The ingredients for recipe number 2 is 1 teaspoon of our 100% purple sweet potato powder dissolved in 1 ounce of hot water, and this is what it is, and also 10 ml of our purple sweet potato syrup. This time, because our powder is not sweetened, I'm going to use 2 ounces of our milk syrup, and as usual, we're going to use 4 ounces of our black tea. So let's make our drink. So we start with the black tea, mix our milk syrup with the black tea. This time, I'm going to mix all the ingredients together. So there's the syrup. And then just about a teaspoon of our pure sweet potato powder. Okay, so that's our purple sweet potato milk tea. Now let's assemble our drink. So this is also 16 ounces cup. Let's put our purple pearls into the cup. And then I'm going to decorate the cup, the sides of the cup, with our sweet potato paste, purple sweet potato paste. So I'm just using the one that's from the 1 teaspoon of powder that we have melted. And because I still have some left over, I'm going to use all of it to mix with our drink. Now what it gives you, what this powder gives you, is actually the color and the texture. And then cream cheese on top. Now the taste of this is actually a little bit more like coconut, because I think the powder that was used has got some coconut as part of the ingredients there. It tastes good. It actually is quite tasty. Wow, that tastes really natural, very natural. I will definitely recommend this one. So the main difference between the two is actually the cost of the ingredients. So if you want to make it a regular price milk tea, you can use this formula, which is using sweetened ube or taro or purple sweet potato powder. And this one is more premium because it uses 100% purple sweet potato powder mixed with purple sweet potato syrup. But the taste of this one is absolutely more natural than this one. So you decide what your price point is and the type of drink that you would like to make and serve to your customers. So for those of you who would like to know how or where to get the ingredients which I have shown you today, for the 100% purple sweet potato powder and the sweet potato syrup, we have them in limited supply at Chow shops. So thank you for watching and ciao for now. Salamat po.